Hello everyone, you're welcome back to the Delicious Kitchen. Guys, we are doing something easy, yummy, quickie as well. This is boiling and fried meat. The best way to fry your meat. I'm telling you, you are going to love this method. You need this. This is Christmas season. You need this to serve your jollof rice, your fried rice, your spaghetti or whatever. I will be showing you the best way to fry your meat, and we are boiling it together as well. So sit and watch. That's the meat I'll be using. I have beef meat there and chicken as well. It's already well washed. I have washed it. They look so clean already. You can see I have beef, like I've said, and I have chicken there, soup chicken, and I have Maggie Cube. I have thyme. I'll be using curry, garlic powder, black pepper, oregano, and salt. You can add any other seasoning you used to as well at home. So I'll be using chopped onion and chopped garlic. That is what I'll be using for cooking it. So let's get it started. Now just pour your well washed meat into the pot. Add the seasoning mixture. Just add it inside. The chopped garlic, add it into it as well. The chopped onion, add it into it. Salt, Maggie cube, so just go ahead and mix everything together. Mix it together. Cover and boil for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, without adding water, after 10 minutes, open it. You can see the meat has started to boil itself with its own juice, and this will allow those ingredients to penetrate into it. And after that, add some water into it. Now cover and boil for around 5 to 7 minutes. Open again and stir together. Just stir everything together. So after that, now cover and boil until soft, until done. Okay, to your taste. After that, open, get your sieve, because now it's time to drain the water out of the meat. You know, we're frying it, you know, so get your sieve to make this easier for you. If you haven't subscribed, please don't forget to subscribe. Turn on your notifications on as well. I would love to see you next time on this channel. So guys, our boiled meat is ready. Tastes super. Yes, now let's go to frying. Get your pots, pour your vegetable oil into the pots, heat up your oil, and you can just fry your oil if it is hot enough with just a piece of sliced onion. Then start to add your boiled meat into the oil, and now get some garlic cloves. You'll be using 3. Throw it into the oil, and some sliced onion as well. Just onion, 1 onion I sliced into this pieces. You can see, just pour everything into the oil and let them start frying together. Guys, the aroma that will be coming out of this, you will love it. You will love it. And the oil, this very oil is not an ordinary oil anymore. So just fry the first side until it's brown, and turn over to the other side as well. Now fry until it's golden brown again. Okay, so when the other side is also brown, golden brown, now take them out of the oil. Can you see the color? Oh, it's shining, but you need to heat it. You need to taste this. Please try this method when next you're frying your meat. Okay, so after that, now just take all the onions, the remaining onions out of the oil. This oil is everything. Cook your jollof rice with the oil. Cook your spaghetti, your fried rice with that oil. You're going to thank me later. So can you see our fried meat, guys? This is simple as ABC. Try this on Christmas Day. Prepare this for your family, and you're going to thank the delicious later. See you next time. Thank you so much for watching. Stay blessed. Enjoy this period. Love you all. Bye-bye.